Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to convert USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. Do you want to convert your USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so first things first, what you need to do is open the browser on your phone and search for pancakeswap.finance. As you can see, this is the Pancake website. Here you can swap BNB to whatever crypto you want. So here, search for USDT first, and then search for TRX afterwards. It's pretty straightforward, just like any other crypto trading websites. Put in the amount you want from USDT to TRX and make sure you have your wallet connected, which is your Trust wallet. If you don't do this, you won't be able to make any trades. And once you make sure everything is set, you can do the transaction, and the TRX credits you get will be processed to your Trust wallet that you've connected to the Pancake Finance. And it's simple. It's pretty simple. That's it. That's the video. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.